Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to enable Google API key for Google Maps and Google Places API. So what you need to do, you need to go to Google Cloud Platform. This is the URL, so it's just going to be, you can Google it, but this is the URL, console.cloud.google.com. You will come here, you create a new project. And you can have several email addresses and several projects under several email addresses. You will, for example, here I created a Vatican project. What you want to do next is enable API and services. And what you want to do is you want to enable Google Maps JavaScript API. So Maps JavaScript API. Enable. You want to enable geocoding API. You want to go to APIs and geocoding API. Enable. You want to enable Places API. APIs, Places API, which is not here, so you want to go to Overview. Places API, there you go. You want to enable it, and the next thing you want to enable is the Time Zone API. Time Zone API. Right here, Time Zone API. Time Zone API. There we go. Enable it. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Credentials, and you want to create the credentials. You want to create an API key so then you can access those APIs. So you're going to create API key. This is your API key. And close, and that should be it. You're going to take this API key, you're going to go back to your master page, and you're going to place it right here. You're going to place it in Google Maps console key. You're going to place it right here without any spaces at the end. Click update, save. Next thing they want you to do is when you go to your project, you want to go to billing and enable billing, because they changed the way it works. You get $300 promotional billing, and I think every month you get $200 worth of free calls to their APIs. That should be plenty to cover most websites. Another thing you can do is restrict your key so only your website can access it. So you're going to go to your key, and right here you want to type HTTPS your domain name /star, and they will restrict that only your domain name will be able to use this particular key. So if you look right here, this domain name can use this key without a problem, and it works on no matter what URL it is, whether it's going to be in tours and activities, it works right here, or whether it's a map on the front page, or a map inside a particular listing, it should work.